Hello and welcome to Civic Literacy. My name is Cynthia Lloyd, and on behalf of all the civics teachers here at Butler, I welcome you to a short presentation about this course. You will see on your students' schedules, Founding Principles, United States, North Carolina Civic Literacy, which is the official name of this course. We lovingly call it Civics. Civics is a North Carolina graduation requirement. In order to have a diploma, you must have passed this class. Most students take this class their junior year, the 11th grade, but that may differ if you are taking certain AP courses. Civics here at Butler is taught both at the standard and honors level. This course is also taught 4x4 or in an AB Day class format. Civics includes 8 units of study. We start with the introduction to government, civics, and citizenship, moving into political parties and elections. The founding documents include colonial documents, but as well as specifically the Declaration of Independence and, of course, the Constitution. Next, we move into the 3 different branches of government, legislative, executive, and judicial branches, where we look at the court system and jurisdictions. Our 7th unit is the Supreme Court, where we specifically look at court decisions and our civil rights expansions and limitations. Finally, we end with a state and local government unit. The civics teachers will be posting assignments in Canvas where they are graded, but the grades in PowerSchool will be the actual averages that your students are working with. We have prepare, rehearse, and perform grades each quarter, and then at the end of the course there is a final exam worth 20% of their grade. Since civics is not a state-tested course, the exam is created by Butler, the Butler Civics team. Your students also are eligible to be exempt from their final exam if they have an A and 3 or fewer absences, or a B and 1 or fewer absences, since this is not an end-of-course test. Finally, we just wanted to reiterate that communication really is key to success, not only in civics, but here at Butler. The communication between you, your student, and their teacher is incredibly important. PowerSchool, Canvas, and Parent Square can be great tools. I will link a link to this presentation in the captions below so that you can capture some of these instructions and downloading directions in case you need to register to observe your students' PowerSchool grades. Or be an observer in Canvas. And of course, Parent Square is the way not only we as teachers, but the school communicates to you at home. We look forward to a wonderful semester. Please feel free to contact us with any of your questions, and we look forward to connecting with you and your students. Thank you.